Well, good afternoon. It's a beautiful sunny day, and I decided after work that I'm going to go on a little hike up to Bridal Falls. It's close by, and I haven't been there for a little while, so we'll see you there. Well, the last time I came up here, or tried to come up here, was in the wintertime because we had all the ice and it was really cold and I wanted to see the falls, but they had closed it off. They said it was way too dangerous, so Bridal Vales Falls. Just going to do a quick trip up and enjoy the falls. It's just beautiful scenery up here, and I've been here a few times before. I love it. Close to home, but it's worth the little hike. So, hope you enjoy the little adventure. A whole bunch of steps coming up. And I can hear the falls. Can you hear it? I think you notice I'm a little out of shape. I'm going to have to do a lot more walking in the next little while. I made it. Oh, there it is. Just kidding. There it is. Get closer. Oh. Oh, I can't believe this. I put new batteries in my SLR and it died after 10 minutes. Oh. Absolutely beautiful. I just love it. Worth the walk up. Well, it wasn't much of a walk. It was about 15 minutes, 16 minutes to come up. It's pretty not too bad at all. I'm going to alternate path down. No stairs, but it seems to be a little steeper. That's okay. Boy, that looks like one big step. Deceptive. Ooh. Lots of picnic tables in the area. I think my next trip up, I'm gonna bring myself my little stove out of my ambulance and make myself a nice little lunch or dinner and enjoy the scenery. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments, and like and subscribe, and have a great day.